Welcome to this mindful breathing meditation for anxiety relief. This practice will help you find calm, center yourself, and release tension through the power of your breath. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or at your sides. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Now, allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Begin by simply noticing your breath. No need to change it, just observe it as it is. Feel the cool air entering your nose and the warm air leaving your body. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath moving in and flowing out. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to the sensation of breathing. The breath is always here for you, constant, steady, grounding. Now, let's take a few intentional deep breaths together. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment. And now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Again, inhale deeply, expanding your belly. Hold it for a second. And exhale slowly, feeling your body soften. One more time, inhale fully. Hold. And exhale, releasing any stress or tightness you may be carrying. Now, allow your breath to settle into a natural, gentle rhythm. Let's use a simple counting technique to guide the breath. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you breathe, imagine each inhale bringing in calm, fresh energy, and each exhale releasing stress, worry, and tension. With each breath, your body relaxes deeper. Your mind becomes clearer. You are fully present, here and now. Now, as you continue to breathe naturally, I invite you to repeat these calming affirmations in your mind. I am safe in this moment. With every breath, I feel more at ease. I release what I cannot control. Peace flows through me with every inhale and exhale. Feel these words sinking in, becoming part of you. With each breath, allow yourself to embrace stillness, comfort, and inner peace. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently waking up your body. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Whenever anxiety arises, remember, your breath is always here, a steady anchor to bring you back to peace. Thank you for sharing this moment of mindfulness with me. Wishing you ease and tranquility. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.